Tesla driver from 2018 crash was had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." IIT Kharagpur students build home rechargeable three-wheeler. A team of students and professors at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has built Tesla, an electric three-wheeler that can be charged at home. 3-year research and development for building the vehicle was led by mechanical engineering Professor Vikrant Rachurla. Tesla can run at a speed of up to 50 km/h and is more stable and jerk-free on roads. Ola Uber may not be a big factor in auto sector slowdown. Maruti Suzuki Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Shashank Srivastava has said Ola and Uber may not be a big factor in the current slowdown. He said that people in India still purchase cars with an aspirational aspect. People may use Ola and Uber to go to offices, but still they buy a vehicle for the weekend outings with the family, he said. Fall in monthly passenger vehicle sales in August, worst ever since 1998. India's monthly passenger vehicle sales recorded the steepest fall in August. As per Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, SIAM, data released today, passenger vehicle sales plunged 31.57% year-on-year to 196,524 units in August, falling for the 10th straight month, while passenger car sales fell 41.09% to 115,957 units. It's the worst ever fall since SIAM began recording data in 1997-98.